What's going on, everyone? We're going to recap our day. $421.36. Now, the account that we're trading today is a Top One Futures evaluation account. If you guys have not heard of Top One Futures, the link is down in the description box below. You guys can definitely check them out. Now, one of the main reasons why I'm opening up some evaluations, and I'm probably going to do straight to sim funded with them, is because they offer the Project X platform. Really in love with the Project X platform. First time I was introduced to it was on Top Step, so forth and so forth. That's not what this video is about. But anyways, Top One Futures, that's what we're using. Again, if you guys want to see what they offer, the link is down in the description box below. So today is the first day, just signed up for the account. Now I'm doing the one-step evaluation here, and I want to do like a daily kind of journal with all of you guys where I'm going to hold myself accountable, and we're going to see, can we pass this 50K evaluation in a timely manner, or do we lose the account, because of my own stupidity, or what adjustments I'm making on a day in and day out basis. So today, market absolute shit show, right? We were down over 5%. It's just the tariff thing, the big sell-off, it's an absolute shit show. So I really had no intentions of trading a lot of my accounts just due to the volatility. So I figured, I've heard of this prop firm. I want to try them out. Let me go ahead and get a one-step evaluation here and let me run through it. It's a 50K account. So we managed to pull $421.36. What I want to go over is some of the numbers, and I want to make a note of some things that I noticed today. Again, today's kind of an outlier day because of the price action, but some things going forward. So we had an 81% win rate. We took 11 total trades. 9 of those trades were winners. 2 of those trades were losers. The average winning trade was around $63. The average losing trade was around $73. Profit factor was 3.87. And if I kind of scroll down here and see some of the numbers, total number of trades 11, the total lots was 22. My average trade duration was 57 seconds. You could see my win and loss duration is also about a minute. The average winning trade was 63, average losing trade was 73. That's about a 1-to-1. Again, we don't have that much data, so we can't really, I'd like to see the numbers after I get 100 trades in, but 8 of the trades were short, 3 of the trades were long. Obviously, more of my trades are going to be short today because the market was pretty much selling off. Best trade that I took today was $184. That was long on 2 NQ contracts. The worst trade that I took was also long, and it was on 2 MNQ contracts for $73. Now, one thing that I noticed today, and again, first day on this evaluation, but one thing that I noticed, and I'm on to walk through this each and every single day, and I kind of just want to recap. I want to recap and I want to brainstorm almost as a journal. So what I'm noticing right now is, for the foreseeable future, until this market turns around, until we see something kind of significant happen, I've got to lean more towards the short setups when I get them. Okay, that's tip number 1, I guess, for myself. Number 2, I gotta get better at walking away earlier. Okay, and this is a problem that I tend to have where I overtrade a lot, and realistically, I was up about $350. And then I took about 3 more trades, and essentially my account went nowhere. We finished with $400, right? So what I'm noticing is, if I can make a few $100, if I can make $200, firing off 2 or 3 trades or 4 trades, I've got to walk away. Because typically what I'm starting to notice is, the more I trade, I win another one, I give it all back. I give back some more profits, I take another trade, I kind of just go back to where I started. I want to focus less on trading the first 30 minutes of the market open, unless something is really, really beautiful based on the London session high or low. And then I want to focus more so on the 1-hour candlesticks. So by scalping 1-hour candlesticks that have measured potential. So like, for example, today around, and I was kind of calling for it on the live call today, Inside Evolution Traders. It was right here at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So whatever time zone you're in, go to 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. What I noticed there was a clear rejection off of the 1 hour 20 SMA and the rejection off of our 10 SMA, followed by an inverse hammer. I was waiting for that to get confirmed to retest low of day. So instead of trying to scalp long, scalp short, scalp long, scalp short, in the same hour candle, going back and forth, I want to wait for better setups and then scalp necessarily a bigger move, right? So maybe that's going to force a lot more patience on me, and we're going to use this account, this top one futures evaluation account, to monitor my day to day. How long does it take for me to get funded? I'm going to be trading probably 70% micros, between 2 and 3 micros, and probably about 20% I'm going to trade, 4 or 5 micros, and then probably 10% there'll be an outlier where if the setup's really good and I'm going to take a quick scalp, I'm going to trade 1 or 2 minis, probably about 10% of the time. So the majority of my position size is going to be, it's going to be, between 2 and 4 micros. And we're probably going to look for profits of at least 40, 50, $60 a trade on those micros. If I can get more, great. And I want to keep my losses under 150 bucks. Hopefully we can keep them under 150 bucks. And then we're just going to rock from there, guys. And that's it. So this is day one. I'm going to let you guys also know what I think about top one futures. Again, they have one-step evaluations. They also have direct to sim funded. So if you don't want to do the evaluation, you could just go get a sim funded account. The link is down in the description box below if you guys want to try them out. Right now, you can use code, I believe it's on the website, launch, and you're going to save like 50% off. But I'll keep you updated on that. So this is just mainly going to be about passing prop firm evaluations as a whole. It's not necessarily about top one futures, but I just want to go through the process of what adjustments am I making on a day in and day out basis for a fresh evaluation account, 50K account. What can I realistically do, okay, to be more profitable? What can I change so I can remain profitable? And how fast can I pass without over leveraging myself? And what adjustments do I make on losing days when it doesn't necessarily go so well? So I'm going to do my best to kind of keep this updated, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the video here. I'll see all of you guys on the next one. If you guys want to join Evolution Traders, that link is down in the description box below. Also, make sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.